Alright, my friends, when I left off on the last video, we're on slide number 6 here, and it says write 1 to 3 sentences about your favorite animal in Georgia font and build a transition into this slide. So we had typed the sentences, albeit a little corny, and then we selected the text, and then what we want to do is we want to change the font. So here's the font selector right here. When we left off before, we saw that it was a little bit hard to get to. But you've got your streamline fonts here, your recent fonts here, and then all of them are down here. And so I just kind of have to scroll through carefully down here to find the Georgia font, and there it is. So now it's in Georgia font. And now it says I have to build a transition into this slide. So what I want to do is go right here where it says transition. And it says slide transition right here. So here's some of the options. Whoops. Right now it's on none. We could do dissolve, fade, slide from right, slide from left, flip, cube, gallery. I kind of like, I don't know, let's try cube once. All right, and then I could apply it to all slides if I want. So I just clicked on that. And then we're going to play it so you can see how it happens. So that's how it changes to each new slide. Every time I click, it'll show me there's the cube. Okay. I could also change it. If I hit stop, I could change how it does it. I could change it to dissolve, and I could apply to all slides. You don't have to apply it to all slides, but that's what that looks like. How it just kind of dissolves out of there. Flip could be kind of fun. Let's try that. There you go. So anyway, just play with some of those. And let's move on to slide number 7. Use this slide to create a collage of images of your favorite things. So remember, the way you do this is you just go to Insert, Image, search the web, and I like horses. So I'm going to grab an image of a horse. Oh, there's a mommy and a baby. So I'm going to insert. And then I'm also going to come over here. I'm going to click off of that one, and I'm going to insert another one. And I'm going to search the web. And you guys know I like baseball, I like the Atlanta Braves. So I'm going to put that on here. Here's a baseball. And then let's think of one more thing I really like. Insert image from the web. I really like to exercise. So I'm going to put exercise and see what we get. How about this little lady here on the TRX bands? I use those things, so there we go. All right, now it says create a collage. So what I want you to see is that you can resize these and move them around. You might have a lot more pictures. I might like horses the best, so I make it the biggest and then have the baseball on top of it a little bit like that. Okay, so there's lots of different things you can do there. You can, again, you can use your format options. Also, one that you might not be familiar with, all right, let's say the baseball arrange order. I can bring it to the front so it's on top of the horse picture, or I can send it to the back so it's behind the horse picture, okay? I liked it better on top, so I'm going to put it back. But just so you see that, that's under arrange and order. All right, in slide number 8, find a video on YouTube of someone cooking your favorite dish and insert the video below. So I'm going to insert video. And let's see, my favorite food, I'm just going to say chocolate chip cookies. Okay. No, I'll say oatmeal raisin cookies. Oatmeal raisin cookies. All right. And there's somebody making oatmeal raisin cookies. So I could just insert that right there. Okay. Easy enough. There we go. All right, and then on the last slide, make a bulleted list of your 5 favorite movies. So again, I'm going to go to the text box. That's this guy right here. And I'm going to make a list of my favorite movies. Let's say my favorite movies are Iron Man, Shrek, Spider-Man, what else? Thor, and Frozen. Okay, let's just say that those are my 5 favorites. Notice that it bulleted it automatically for me. But here is, if it's not listed, if it doesn't happen for you, select them all. And then right here in the more, you can go to bulleted lists. Okay. So more with the 3 dots and then the bulleted lists. So hopefully you learned a lot about how to use Google Slides. Maybe you learned some formatting options you didn't know before. We got into some pretty intricate stuff, especially up here with the bouncing beach ball and stuff. So I hope that was helpful to you. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.